In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your calendar in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to let coworkers or collaborators see your availability or even help manage your schedule without oversharing more than you intend. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook and switching to your calendar. If you're currently looking at your email inbox, just move into the calendar view so you can work directly with your schedule. This is where you'll set up the sharing from within Outlook's main interface. Once you are in the calendar, look along the top of the window for the Home tab. On that ribbon, select Share Calendar. This opens the sharing invitation window. If you have more than one calendar, Outlook will ask which one you want to share. Most people will choose the default one named Calendar, since that's the primary schedule tied to your account. In the To field, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share your calendar with. You can type addresses directly or start typing names to pull from your organization's directory. Add as many recipients as you need. This invitation controls who can see your schedule and at what level of detail. Now choose the permission level that matches what you want others to see or do. Can View When I'm Busy is the most minimal option. It shows only blocked time versus free time, which is ideal when you just want people to book meetings without exposing details. Can View Titles and Locations reveals the subject and place for each event, which is helpful for planning while still keeping descriptions private. Can View All Details shows everything that's on your calendar, including full descriptions and notes, so use this when transparency is important. Finally, Can Edit grants the person the ability to add or modify events on your calendar. Pick this only for someone you trust to manage your schedule, such as an assistant or a project coordinator. When you are satisfied with the recipients and permission level, click Send. Outlook packages your sharing settings into an invitation and sends it to the people you selected. Recipients will receive an email inviting them to view your calendar. From there, they can open your calendar using the access you granted. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've shared your Outlook calendar in a way that matches your needs. Whether you're keeping it simple with free busy times or enabling full collaboration with edit access,